Hello children, welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to do lesson number 29 and the name of the lesson is picture composition. So children, let's begin. Picture composition. Now pictures stimulate our thoughts and they motivate us to express our views and ideas, right, on what we see, right. Picture composition, it generally develops the skill of observation in students and enhances their ability to analyze a given picture and write about it. So children, it is given in your book. A picture can give you many ideas, fire your imagination and be a source of inspiration to you. So you can use these pictures and frame a story depicted by them. And when you're writing picture composition, so while describing the picture, we can go around and beyond the picture also and write any kind of essay, narrative or descriptive using this picture as a source. So children, in order to write an effective picture composition, the basic need is to understand the topic. It should it should reflect your personal experience and thoughts also. The composition, this picture composition starts with an introduction which gives the reader some idea about your composition. The body provides further information to the reader in an elaborate and well-organized style. So finally, the conclusion tells us about the inferences drawn from the picture. So it's very important to read your composition for spelling mistakes, punctuation marks and grammatical errors also. And when you see the picture, you give names to the people and places to make your composition more interesting. So, and one thing more, do not forget to use the correct tense. It is usually safer and easier if you use the past tense, right, when telling a story, and present tense when describing a scene. So it's easier to use past tense while telling a story and present tense when describing a scene. So one more thing you have to remember, children, you always remember that when you wind up a picture composition with some relevant observation, the last line could be the most impressive part of the composition. So let's see this example also given in your book. You can go through it and I'll tell you about the picture also that is given on next page. You can see here, this is an write composition viewing of the picture below. Write about the people who make unnecessary haste, occupy wrong side on the road and help create a jam which could be avoided. Jam which could be avoided with everyone acted wisely, and you can use this picture to write a composition. Okay, so can you see this picture? Now this is about road safety, children. So road safety is the, how you can start it, it's the prevention and protection of by using all the safer methods. Like everyone going on the road must be to the left, right, and you can say let other vehicles pass on the opposite direction. Let other vehicles pass that are on the opposite direction, right. Drivers, they should they should be slow in speed on turns, right, while they are turning on the roads. And then you can write take extra precaution while going to the overcrowded roads. Bikers or people using two-wheelers, they should wear helmets. Then you can write about can you see this traffic lights over here and zebra crossing also. So you can give that one should while who are walking, they can use zebra crossing, and when red light is there, one should stop over there. And the children, they should not be sent alone on the roads. They should be with their elders. And if they are alone, they should follow the safety rules. Everyone using road should be well aware of the road signs and must follow these safety rules. So the picture given is about traffic rules also. Okay, one is the traffic light, and other is the zebra crossing. So you can say that how you can make it more interesting and more it can attract the readers. You can write that Mr. Traffic Light says, look, stop and go the whole day. So the red light says stop, the yellow get ready for go, and the green means go. So we should always use the zebra crossing for crossing the roads. We must follow the traffic signals. They are made for our safety. So these things you can give. Okay. So we have another, this, can you see this? Write composition on how the natural beauty of hill affects our mind and soul. You have recently visited a hill station. Your composition must have at least 3 paragraphs. Now how you will write this? So here you can, children, you can name the place, location of the place you can give here. Then you can give the ways to reach there, how you reach there, and special attractions of the place you can give here. Then boarding and lodging facilities available. When you go to the hill station, you need boarding and lodging facilities also. Then you can give the places of interest nearby. Then which is the best season to visit this place. Then special preparations, if any, required to visit. Then particular precautions to be taken while visiting hill stations, and you can give that how this natural beauty, it affects our mind and soul. So children, you can write here that natural beauty of hills makes feels better emotionally, and it contributed a lot towards the mental well-being of an individual. Then exposure to nature also has a great impact on our physical health. It not only reduces the blood pressure but also helps to reduce muscle tension and production of stress hormones. And then you can write, so you can write, children, here that how natural beauty of hills affects our mind and soul. So I told you the hints that how to write picture composition. So you keep practicing at home and try to use these tips and hints given. So this is how you will write picture composition. Thank you.